When it comes to cars, safety isn't just an option, it's a necessity. Today, we're counting down the top 5 safest cars in the world, based on global safety ratings, innovative technology, and real-world crash performance. Buckle up and let's dive in. Number 5. Tesla Model Y. The Tesla Model Y, this all-electric SUV, doesn't just lead in innovation. It excels in safety too. With a 5-star safety rating from both NHTSA and Euro NCAP. It's equipped with advanced driver assistance systems like autopilot, collision avoidance, and a robust structure designed to protect passenger. Key safety features: autopilot system, collision avoidance, rigid passenger cell. Next up, at number 4, is the Volvo XC90, a luxury SUV synonymous with safety. Volvo, known for pioneering seat belts, continues to raise the bar with features like pilot assist, city safety technology, and automatic braking. Its exceptional structural integrity earned it a top safety pick global. Taking the 3rd spot is the Mercedes-Benz EQS. This luxury electric sedan blends sophistication with cutting-edge safety. Equipped with advanced driver assistance, intelligent sensor technology, and a reinforced safety cell, the EQS proves that luxury and safety go hand in hand. Key safety features: active brake assist, intelligent sensor suite, high-strength safety cell. At number 2 is the Subaru Outback, a rugged crossover that doesn't compromise on safety. Known for Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, the Outback excels in crash prevention and passenger protection. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive also ensures stability in tricky conditions. Key safety features: EyeSight driver assist, symmetrical all-wheel drive, reinforced frame design. And the safest car in the world is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class, often dubbed the best car in the world. The S-Class integrates state-of-the-art safety features including pre-safe impulse side, advanced driver assistance systems, and top-tier crash protection. It sets the gold standard in automotive safety. Key safety features: pre-safe impulse side, driver assistance package, 360 safety monitoring. Safety on the road isn't just about the car, it's about the technology, design, and engineering behind it. These 5 vehicles represent the pinnacle of safety innovation. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below.